We now begin the presentations. The first is in the established of the large entity category. This is on solar green bamboo bicycle of the rickshaw. Mr. XK Marker and Mane from Godrej and Vice.
Members of the IMC and my friends, thank you for acknowledging our efforts on innovation and having us here. I will take you very quickly through some thoughts on how we are building a platform that would bring implementable concepts into creative and better products to the market, which will benefit the society at large. Products that relieve some of the pressure that we ourselves imposed on the natural order of things around us. It's time we started redressing the balance that we have upset. In our group, we have come to recognize this across the entire slate of our products, making changes in our components and materials towards creating better products and services. This is in line with our long-term vision of corporate sustainability for a good and greener planet that you can see here. As we looked around, we noticed that transportation of various types could well be something that we could actually make some form of contribution to, but create a new business in some of these directions. The areas we looked at were carrying people, carrying goods, as well as for people who have special needs, who very often are totally forgotten by society out of old stigmas, embarrassment, or other reasons. We at Lawkim Godrej have had 50 years of designing and manufacture experience of specialized electric motors. You will note two things from these pictures. The first is that we designed a brushless DC motor called a hub motor that takes all the strain out of propelling the vehicle forward. The motor is powered by a battery, rechargeable, and in the case of a cycle rickshaw and the vehicle with special needs, is also done through a solar panel. The bamboo that we chose for the construction is called Dendrochirus stocksire. It is strong, durable, and very well suited for the application. We then went through a long process of improving on the prototypes that we built. We developed some of that would be able to take on the challenges of operating on the roads. Our solar-powered rickshaw addresses several needs of problems associated in the market where current solutions may be inadequate. The current product and the variations that we bring reduce the human effort necessary to pedal rickshaws and bicycles, offer simple load-carrying solutions. It is a very energy efficient, pollution-free, reducing cost of transport, giving livelihoods to people who employ a renewable resource like bamboo. Besides government subsidies, banks and financial institutions would also be happy to provide access to funds at zero interest. Bamboo reduces steel usage and halves the vehicle weight. Of course, refinements will be brought from time to time through our. We then followed up with some detailed test in 4 major cities across the country to benchmark cost and specific details about conventional vehicles currently in use, as well as to home in different types of customers that we might find these vehicles especially benefit. Our extended target customers will include IT parks, hotel resorts, big campuses, corporate and housing colonies, both for domestic and the export markets. Typical unsolicited queries that we got along the roads generally included some of these, which I guess could be anticipated as they were logical queries. The end result of these exercises began throwing up yet other areas and concepts that we could work towards in the future. This could not only generate fresh businesses for us, but also be a vehicle for employability for youth in rural India. And the consensus of our team is that we ought to be able to launch our first products by December 2013. Thank you.
Congratulations. So now we'll present the certificate. May I request Ram Gandhi and Tanil Bhai, members of our committee, to join us for presenting certificate.
मी क्लोज पकडलाय तिघांना या मी वर पॅन घेतोय त्याच्या.
For our products and processes is an integral part of our journey towards business excellence. IMC's initiative on recognizing and awarding individuals and corporates for their trust on this important aspect for the benefit of mankind is a big step in the right direction. Our recognition today has motivated our teams and will encourage them to achieve greater heights. Thank you once again.